Who here are Warriors fans? Are you living for the sweater? If you are a Warriors fan, you're living for the sweater. Welcome back to my channel, PinkLoveSparkle. I'm so happy to see you back on this channel. So today, it's not a full face, full eyes, lips, anything like that tutorial. Today is, as you saw in the description bar and before you click this video, is for lashes. So this was requested. Everything that I use to achieve to put lashes on is down below. I literally put these lashes on like 2 minutes ago, so this is like fresh. I love this style of lashes. They're called natural lashes, but these are definitely more like a demi-wispy or wispy lashes, which is what I go for. I really like lashes like that because they're full but they're not over the top. But for me, those are my favorite type of lashes. Obviously, you can use whatever your niche is for lashes. I hope that I explained this pretty clear to you and that this is something you'll like to learn about and do. It's really simple. I know lashes can be intimidating, but once you get the hang of it, which hopefully after this video you will, once you get the hang of it, like, no makeup look looks the same without your lashes. So it's pretty much like, oh, that just upped my makeup game like 100%. So you want to do lashes, especially if you do dramatic looks or anything like that, or even just glam pretty looks. You want lashes. So this is the video to watch. So keep watching. If you're on Instagram, hashtag me, PinkLoveSparkle. Also, if this video was helpful to you, let me know down below in the comments. And please make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much already for the subscribers that I have and for the views that I have. I'm very grateful, and I'm new to this YouTube journey, but it's been nothing but fun and exciting. So thank you for allowing me to make new videos, and you keep coming back and watching them. So I must be doing like at least one thing right. So anyways, this is the video, and I hope that you enjoy. First off, I have some tweezers. Next, I have dual lash glue brush on adhesive. And I'm trying a new mascara from Maybelline, and that's the pack of lashes I'm using. They're from Blinque Eyelashes, and those are just another pair of lashes. Those are my scissors. I don't have beauty scissors anymore. I left them in New York, so oh well. But I'm going in and I'm applying my mascara, and I'm also making sure that I get the inner corner of my eyes. I apply it to my other eye, the mascara, and I'm going to make sure I get the outer corner of my eye as well. So this is the look with just mascara. It's pretty, but we're going to spruce it up some more. So I'm using the tweezers to take off the lashes that I'm going to use. And this is a really important step when you use new lashes. Make sure you make them like flexible. So flex it. And I have my little beauty puff so I don't mess up my makeup. And I'm just measuring the lashes to see if I need to cut them on my eye. That's the best way instead of just cutting them right away. So they do need to be cut very little. With my scissors, I'm going to take it and I'm going to cut the end of the lashes. Not the shorter part, but the longer part of the lashes. And that's the little strip that I have. Now I'm remeasuring them on my eye. And they're pretty much perfect. Thumbs up. So now I'm going to go in with the lash glue and I'm going to apply it and put it on my eye. So now you're just moving the falsies down on your actual lash line, and you're gonna like pat it together with your lashes, and it looks like they're your lashes. Like you're squeezing it together. The next thing you're gonna do is go in with your eyeliner and go right on top of the lashes. So the band from the lashes is not gonna stand out. You got black eyeliner and you're just gonna go right on top of it. So I'm doing the same steps for my other eye. I'm removing it with the tweezers and I'm making it flexible so it's not stiff. I'm going to measure it on my eye. I'm cutting the same amount off. That's not always the same, so that's why you're measuring it. Then this is a better shot of me just literally brushing on the lash glue, and you're doing it right on the band of the lashes. This is the perfect shot of literally just moving the lashes on your actual lash line, and then you're gonna squeeze it together like before. Sometimes I use the tweezers to push it in, and that's what I'm doing. You're gonna add that coat of eyeliner on top of the lashes, add some mascara to your bottom lashes, and voila, that is how it comes out. For watching this video. I hope it was easy to understand, of course, to do. Once again, if you haven't already and you like the videos and the content that I'm pulling out, make sure you subscribe so you can see the next video that I'm going to be doing. I have no clue what video that will be, but it will definitely be something fun and probably have pink in it. I don't know. I'm just saying. I don't know. Anyways, so thank you again for watching, and I hope to see you wearing some lashes, rocking your lashes. They're going to go on so easily, and you're going to be like, why didn't I do this anytime sooner? I love you guys. Take care. Thank you again for watching. Bye.